Hello. It's New Year's Eve. I'm at the mall. Eating me some Japanese. Hope everybody is had a great holiday. Be safe out there tonight if you're going out to party on this New Year's Eve night. I'm not doing nothing. I had to, my husband's eyes are irritated, so I had to buy him some Visine, and then he said something about Nasonex. Like a bite. So they have a little store in the mall where you could get all that stuff, a little stand. So he said, I don't really need this nasal spray. So I had to take it back, but all sales is final. But the guy was nice enough to tell me to pick out something else. So I bought some snacks at night because y'all know I'll be snacking. I had to get my snacking in before I start back to working out and eating healthy. But I may add that little video into this, but me and my daughter and my son, we found this chicken spot. It's called Urban Smoke and Grill in Alabama, in the Birmingham area. Y'all, I was so hungry and it was late, and we ate in the car. So I just videotaped a little snippet just to show y'all what I had. But I'm really trying to do all that setting up to do a mukbang, a carb bomb. Y'all, that chicken and them french fries were so good, and the best french fries I ever had. I had these, I had lemon pepper wings and these, I think they were steak and fries. Like steak and cheese fries. They had mozzarella on it, the sauce. Oh my gosh. Y'all see the picture? I'm gonna add the picture in this, the video and stuff that I put, I'm gonna add in this video. They started off as a food truck. And they were so successful, they just opened up a business. And them people was up in there. It's a black business, black ran business. But y'all, we waited over an hour to get our food, and we was taking it to go. And we was online. We stood online for about a good 10 minutes because the girl, it was only like one person working the front. And she had to take the orders. And she had to, what's this thing on my nose? She had to take the orders and she had to pack them up. So she told people they can go into the bar to order because she was going to be there for a minute, but as soon as the people left, we were next up. And she came up and took our orders, and it was 2 police officers behind us. And it was like, as busy as they are, they only got 2 people working. They know better than that. more people started coming in, I guess, for their shift. So, standing online to get our order taken and waiting for our food, it was over an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes, which is ridiculous. They better be happy the food was delicious. I can't say it was worth the wait, but I'm glad we waited. They also had a sign up at the front saying it can take up to a 45-minute wait to get your food. So I asked her, I said, is it really going to take us 45 minutes to get our food? And she said, it shouldn't. That's if you want the lemon pepper fried shrimp, fish, which we were getting wings, and my daughter got fries. You know, she don't eat meat. She didn't get any fish. She just got ranch fries, and those were good too. It was just me and my son that got wings, and he got a 10-piece. Oh no, he dropped his food on the floor. I wonder if he's gonna eat that. That's disgusting. He just dropped his chicken nuggets all over the floor in the mall. We're closing them up now. They were Chick-fil-A nuggets. It was nice. This lady came over and said she would buy him some more, but he was like, that's okay. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh. So she said, no, that's only for the fried fish. We still waited over an hour. We ain't had no fish. My son had hot lemon pepper. I had regular lemon pepper. And they were good. I hope that boy take them nuggets back to Chick-fil-A. I'll be like, they fell out of the bag. I hope he don't take them and eat them. Not off this nasty floor. The young lady came over and was very nice and said she would buy him some more. But he said no. I took them hoes right back to Chick-fil-A. They were Chick-fil-A nuggets, so you know, things expensive. But back to the chicken. They were good. It's called Urban Smoke and Grill. And it's in Alabama. They were so good, my son was hoping that they come to where we live, and I said I doubt it. They're a food truck. Small business. With that weight, and then cook everything fresh to order, so that's why it takes so long. Everything is cooked fresh, but that weight, but I'm glad we waited and tried it because it was delicious. Got a lot of videos for y'all. Reviews, hauls. What I'm going to also do is I bought my husband a Louis Vuitton wallet, so he's not a social media person. He's not on social media. The most he do of social media is checking my son's Twitter or Instagram. I think my oldest just have a Twitter, but my middle son, he has an Instagram and Twitter, but he don't really Instagram much. And so, you know, with them going through the NCAA with football and stuff like that, they check all of that stuff, and the schools. So he got their passwords and everything to make sure they ain't posted nothing ridiculous or anything that could, you know, have those people, the schools and stuff, looking sideways at them. But other than that, he don't have social media. And he don't like to be on camera. So either I have to ask him the questions and just record it, which I'll just hear his voice, or I ask him the questions, write it down so I don't get his answers, and I'll come on and report to y'all how he liked the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. After a couple of days or a day of carrying it. We'll see. And I'm gonna finish eating and I'm gonna get out of here. So again, y'all have a happy new year. Be safe. And let's pray for bigger blessings in the new year. Peace.